Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Today is Saturday, and on Saturday we explore the vibrations of the loner, because the loner is all around us on Saturday. The loner is not just about silence and solitude. It's also about physicality. Physicality, the physical body. So today, while we listen to the interval of the loner, which is the 7th, you can do something physical. Use your body. And you may find, or at least some of you may find, that using the physical brings you more spiritual awareness today. So that would be especially if you have the loner in your spiritual area, in your blueprint. What if you have the loner in desires? Well, then you would desire to take care of the physical body, to have the physical body be healthy and secure and grounded. You may have desires to be alone as well, to go and live your life simply in a little cabin in the woods or on top of a mountain somewhere where you can be free and no one will bother you. If you have the loner in relationships, you may not have a lot of friends. You would prefer to be alone. It also means you could be very physical with your body, with your sexuality. Remember that song? Let's get physical, physical, by Olivia Newton-John. Well, I actually looked at her blueprint this morning, and she has the loner in her physical body. Interesting, right? So no wonder she wanted to get physical. Anyway, I'll read a little poem by the spiritual loner, Jim Harrison. Warm enough here in Patagonia, Arizona, to read the new Mandelstam outside in my underwear, which is to say, he was never warm enough except in summer, and he was without paper to write. And his belly was mostly empty most of the time. Like that Mexican girl I picked up on a mountain road the other day who couldn't stop weeping. You know, loner is also about grief, too. She had slept out 2 nights in a sweater in below freezing weather. She had been headed to Los Angeles, but the coyote took her money and abandoned her in the wilderness. Her shoes were in pieces and her bare feet bleeding. I took her to town and bought her food. She got a ride to Nogales. She told us in Spanish that she just wanted to go home and sleep in her own bed. That's what Mandelstam wanted, with Mother in the kitchen fixing dinner. Everyone wants this, everyone. Mandelstam said, To be alone is to be alive. Lost and looked in the skies, asylum, I. What of her nights? Maybe she was watched by some of the 50 or so birds I have in the yard now. When they want to, they just fly away. I gave them my yard and lots of food. They smile strange bird smiles. She couldn't fly away. Neither can I, though I've tried a lot lately to migrate to the Camargue on my own wings. When they are married, Mandelstam and the Mexican girl, in heaven, they'll tell long stories of the horrors of life on earth, ending each session by chanting his beautiful poems that we did not deserve.